Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the optimized interactive operations under the Vector Editor module in LiDAR360. During vector editing, the software provides white operation prompts next to the mouse in the view, guiding users on the next steps to take. For example, when drawing a circle with the form displayed in 2D mode and the circle tool selected, the prompt Specify Center will appear next to the mouse, followed by the Specify Radius prompt, enabling the completion of the circle drawing and facilitating vector creation. Additionally, the software offers the Show Vertices option, which, when enabled, makes it easier for users to edit entities. That concludes the introduction to the optimized interactive operations. Thank you for watching.